everyone, this is me Rabab Zehra from TECHx Media. We are at Intersec 2025. I have with me right now Mr. Siddhartha Lal. He is heading Middle East and Africa region of Partizan. So let's welcome Siddhartha on TECHx Media and get to know more about their company, their Intersec participation. Hi Siddhartha, how are you?
Hi, I'm very much fine. Thank you for calling me here.
Yeah, it's great to have you here with us. So Siddhartha, we are at Intersec. Tell us about the company. What kind of products and solutions you have for the organization?
Basically, Partizan Security, it's a European company. It's based in Czech Republic, Prague. Our headquarters are there, and we are the manufacturers of security surveillance equipment, software, dedicated software to that. We have got our own cloud storage. We do manufacture particularly all the elements which are related to the ELV sector. So this in short what we manufacture.
So what is it that makes Partizan unique and it differentiates it from other key players in the market?
You see, if you have seen all the exhibitions and our competitors, there are many competitors here. But generally, what happens is they have got somewhat manufacturing related to the Asian countries. And here, during my work in this region, I've seen that before there was a stereotype. So they were looking for the European manufacturers who don't have a backdoor entry to their equipment, to the servers which are situated far away from here. So we decided we had our manufacturing unit in Prague, in Czech Republic. So we do offer our unique product. Quality-wise, we have got a very robust quality control sector in our company, and we do offer from the very beginning a 3 years warranty for all of our equipment. Our technical support is 7 days a week, and our clients who are working with us, they are very much happy because our focus is on the after-sales support. Because generally what happens with other key players, I have seen, I don't want to name anyone, but I'm telling in general, they lack after-sales technical support. But with us, our clients are like our relatives. We do take care of them. We are with them always. Whenever they need us, we offer them. And regarding the commercial part, yes, European manufacturers, they have got a bit price level is a bit high, but I want to say that we do cover up with all the other add-ons which we offer to our clients, and they are very much happy with us.
The company is exhibiting at Intersec. Tell us how important is Intersec for the company and what will be your key takeaways from the event?
From 2014, we have been taking part only in this exhibition, Intersec, because this is the biggest show which is happening, and it is dedicated to our segment, security segment. Because in others, they are the diversification, they have bifurcation in that, but with us, it's only with the dedicated. That's why we do take part only in this exhibition in Intersec every year. And this year also we are taking part, and we are here together with our partners here, and we provide full solution for the ELV sector. So this is what this exhibition I can tell.
That's great. Thank you so much for being here with us. It was great talking to you.
Thank you very much too. Take care.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to TECHx to know more about what is happening at Intersec 2025. Goodbye.
TECHx, your trusted technology media partner.